What is up, guys? I got a bargain special for you here today. It's a true barn find, 1973 Ford Mustang Convertible. It's got a V8 351 Cleveland in it. It runs pretty good considering it's been sitting for the last 20 years. We put a battery in it, put fresh gas, and it fired right up. The tires are flat. The brakes are locked up, so it does not drive. It just starts. This one's being sold as a barn find. My mechanic has become ill, so we're getting rid of some of our projects just to catch up on some work. This car was pulled out of a garage in Philadelphia, PA. The owner owned a bunch of classics. He pulled out about 25 classics out of his garage, and this was one of them. As you can see, the top is in pretty decent shape, except right here the seam is coming apart. But if you look inside the car, it's got no water in it. It's been sitting outside for the past few months since we got it. It's got no leaks, just needs to be cleaned off. The biggest problem with this car is, you're gonna have to go through the braking system, new tires on it, get it, to run right. I would say full tune-up, and then body work. It doesn't have any rust on it. The undercarriage, I just climbed under it, is in good shape. But whoever painted this car did a horrible job. There's orange peel all on it. Got a, looks like body filler here on this quarter. If you look at the interior is actually in good shape. It's definitely dirty, but there's no tears in the seats. The back seat looks pretty good too. The dash pad, a little crack there. The windshield, there's no cracks in the windshield. Door panels are in good shape. Doesn't smell in here or anything like that. There's no moisture getting into the car, which is awesome. Let's see what the mileage is showing. Showing 65,918. This would make a perfect restoration. Let's see if we can start it up. If it'll fire up. I don't know if the battery's dead. First off, I gotta figure out which key it is. There we go. It's dead. Not firing it up at this time, but I assure you it does run. That I will guarantee. If you're interested in buying it, I'll send you a video on it running. It's an AC car, power steering car. It's definitely a solid project. We are asking $7,500 or best offer. We are looking to get rid of it quickly. The best quick offer will get it. We offer shipping worldwide. If you're an overseas buyer and you're interested in getting it, give us a call. We can ship it to any port in the United States. Or if you want to keep it in the US, we can get it delivered right to you. We work with a good company that ships these cars. See if I can get the undercarriage real quick for you. You can see the undercarriage is pretty solid for what it is. It was in the garage since 96. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, 215-801-9493, or getallcars.com, www.getallcars.com.